2025. It's a porcini. Damn, that's nice. Fresh too. Porcini. Some more saffron milk caps. Beautiful mushrooms. Ayan! Welcome back to my channel. Today we found some porcini in the hills. This one's fresh porcini. And today we'll make a porcini pasta. Together with that, we'll be using the porcini, saffron milk caps that we found also. This is the Pepesea cultured butter made in New South Wales, Australia. It's really nice and full of flavor. This one's a grated Parmesan cheese. Some pappardelle pasta. This one is black truffle paste and thick cream. And this one's porcini that we dehydrated and foraged before. This one from 2 seasons ago. If you want to watch my video on this drying porcini, I'll link it somewhere up there. First, we'll just rehydrate it with a little bit of hot water. Let that sit. Don't throw away the water, we'll use that later for cooking. And then we'll get some garlic to start with. Just a few, you don't need that much. And then later we'll clean those mushrooms. Wash and clean. Clean and wash. Tama ba? We'll cook first our sauce. So when the sauce is ready, we'll just drop in the pasta. We'll just chop this garlic. Just about 4 cloves of garlic. Just roughly chop it. It should be good. Alright, we'll get our pan ready. Turn on the exhaust. So hopefully you can hear me. Put in number 1. We'll wash our mushrooms first. I know people will say that you're not supposed to wash your mushrooms, but this one's wild mushrooms. It's the perfect porcini for me. Small, very small, bambino. And then this one's the saffron milk cap. So we'll just clean up this mushroom, the porcini. Still got some of the dirt done. Should be good. That should be clean. Let's take out some of these. We'll just trim it. So we'll just slice it. Oh, so nice. Look at that. No worms, no bugs. Perfect. Look at that. It's nice and white in the middle. Usually when you get the big ones, there's like bugs in the middle. This one's very nice. So put it aside, and then we'll cut the milk caps. Beautiful mushroom. Same. Clean. Bit of dirt in the bottom. So a good dinner. Okay, we'll first saute the mushrooms and garlic with some olive oil with the butter, the cultured butter. Just a bit of olive oil, or just plain oil, vegetable oil. best part is this one, cultured butter. So nice and tangy butter. It's a fair bit, we'll use a fair bit. Yeah, that should be enough. Pepper say Aussie made. Saute our porcini and saffron milk cap. All of it. Fully cooked this mushroom. Because again, it's forage. Pepper and salt. Get some pepper. And some salt. Just a bit. So again, when foraging mushroom, make sure that you know what you're picking. If you don't know what you're picking, sorry, I'm just watching this. And if you don't know your mushrooms, please don't pick them and eat them. Better to have someone together with you that knows how to forage or who knows their mushrooms. So we'll put in our rehydrated porcini. You save the stock. So if we need some water, we'll use this for our mushroom. That's our mushroom mix for today. And then later we'll add some truffle. Not too much so we don't overpower the porcini. So we'll get our garlic. The reason to this is so we don't burn the garlic. So we cook our mushrooms first. And then we'll put our garlic. So it's getting a bit dry. So we'll put some of our mushroom stock. More flavor, and then we'll let it dry out also after, so we get all the concentrated flavor. Yeah. So to this we'll add our truffle paste. Just the truffle paste, just a bit, just about that much, just to have some flavor, mushroomy, umami flavor. And straight away you can, you can smell it, the truffles. Yeah. Don't burn your garlic, it'll become bitter. To this we'll add our cream, thick cream. This one will be around 300 mils. I think that should be enough to cover our pasta. That's 500. Yeah, we'll put it in. We'll put the whole thing in. Sayang. Titipid pa eh. And we'll add some more. I think we need more pepper, black pepper. To this we'll add our Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan. So while this is cooking, we'll also cook our pasta. So we'll add some salt, just a bit. This is our pappardelle pasta. Pappardelle. So it just needs to cook for about 7 minutes. You need a bigger pot. Good. This one's almost cooked, so we'll lower the flame. This one's almost cooked. Yeah, should be good. So our pappardelle cooked already, al dente. And then we'll just finish it in the sauce. Nice. We'll add some of this pasta water. It won't dry out. Nice. Ouch. Huwag mo isama yun, ha? You want to throw away your pasta water? We'll just add a bit of the pasta water into our sauce. And that's it. Should be good. Dinner's ready! Yum! Kain tayo! And final sprinkling of the Parmesan cheese. Kain na! That's nice pasta. Nice. So it's a bit more Parmesan for me. Bango! That smells so good. Porcini. Let's grab the porcini. There's a porcini. Fresh porcini from the hills. Very nice. Pasta is perfectly cooked, al dente. Creamy mushroom flavor. Finger licking good sauce. And the taste of Parmesan. Needs a bit more pepper for my taste. Yeah. So it's like cacio e pepe. Taste. Again. Thank you. Very nice. Please do like and subscribe. Paalam! Thanks for watching. Kain na!